going?
The Jaguar's got me pointed, dude.
Try and get the fuck out of there. Where are you?
9G, Moon 16, station.
Are you sitting on the station?
What?
Are you sitting on the station?
No, I'm 50k off and he's got me pointed.
Oh shit.
I'm burning back to the station as fast as I can. I don't know if I'm gonna make it.
Just keep trying. I'm logging on.
I've digressed him, so hopefully by the time I get there, my 60-second timer will be up. I'm at 25% shield already.
Come on, bro. Stay alive. How close are you now?
40k. I'm not gonna make it.
Keep going. Come on. Survive, you bitch.
I can't use my micro warp. He's orbiting me about 500. I think he's afterburner fit. No, that's regular. Oh shit, yeah, he's got me, dude. Fuck, I'm gonna lose my fucking tornado already. Really gonna suck for the kill board, dude. I'm gonna be kicked out of the corp now. Now the Raptor's here too. I'm dead.
Warp drive active.
God damn it.
Yeah, I fucking knew it.
Warp drive active.
Oh man, God.
Have you popped?
Oh, I did. I popped.
How many ships in system have tried to attack you? Only the two?
Just the two. God fucking damn it. How the hell did he get a point on me so quick?
He's got a long point.
I know, but I was aligned the entire time. The moment I saw him on grid, he just showed up, you know, like 10k off, and I started immediately spamming warp, and he got me before I could warp.
He probably had someone close to you.
Docking request accepted.
Like what?
Have you got another ship?
Yeah, I got a few others, but I don't know if I want to lose two.
Got a battle cruiser?
Not fit. I got a Hurricane and a Myrmidon. And a Drake.
Oh god, I'm about to be jumped.
What do you mean?
Get a Drake.
Shit, I don't have it fit, dude. You want me to come out?
I might need you to.
Alright, coming out. I'm standing right near the station now. She's got a heavy tank on her. Wait, where are you?
Shit!
You're not on grid. Where are you?
I need you to get to fucking VLGD now.
On my way.
Warp drive active.
It's gonna be a bit. What are you in?
Hurricane.
Are they taking you?
Yep.
What's on? What do you got on you?
Raptor, Jag. It's the same two ships.
I got heavy assaults, dude.
Get out here now. Dap, bring it. I don't care if I get fucking kicked from Corp.
I I got heavy assaults and a buffer fit, so...
Bring it! Quick! Now!
I'm warping!
Bring whatever!
I'm in
I need a
warp.
slow ship!
I'm in warp. Jumping through the gate now. Are you just on the other side of the gate?
Yep, just jump through, you'll see me.
Alright. Let's do this.
I'm 84k off, I'm trying to burn as fast as I can. As soon as you get here, burn your ass here.
I don't have fucking prop mod, dude.
Just get here!
Coming.
You should be able to lock him up from that distance.
It's not letting me lock. I need to be within 66k. I'm at 70.
Come on, come on.
I'm coming. I'm at 150 meters a second, dude.
I haven't got drones fitted to this either.
Ooh, that's right. I got drones.
The asteroid is depleted.
Send them to assist me.
I gotta be within 45k. I'm coming. This is dangerous, dude. I'm gonna lose my Drake.
Just be aligned to a station. Ah, dude. Get ready to bug out. Bug out. They're gonna jump you. Bug out now. Bug out, bug out, bug out.
Jumping. Did you die?
Nope.
Sorry, I didn't have time to swap out for the heavies, otherwise I would have already been engaging.
Ah, it's all good, dude.
Fuck, I left my goddamn drones.
That's alright.
I literally just got that tornado like fucking 10 hours ago. Not even, like 6 hours ago. So what am I doing? Am I coming back?
Nah.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm all good. I'm gonna drop. You won't get here in time.
Active.
I won't scare them off if I come in.
Nah. I'm still fucking holding them.
You know what? Fuck it. I'm coming in.
Nah, don't worry, dude. I'm about to drop.
You know, a couple of heavy hams might scare
That's
them off.
what got you. It was the buzzard. The buzzard fucking 10k off me.
Is he good?
Yeah, no, that's how he got me so quickly. The buzzard was 10k off me. He dropped a fucking a bubble just as I landed on the gate, and it put me at 110 off.
Active.
No, that's not what got me. It was the fact that the wolf was able to come in on top of me like instantly. He knew I was 50k off the station, so all he did was just fucking warp to the station at 50k, and he ended up within 6 clicks of me.
Well, I'm dropping rolls anyway for court.
Sorry, dude. I didn't mean to get you killed.
That's alright, dude.
Oh, you're already gone, huh?
Which station did you go to?
I'm still sitting on the gate. I'm right on the gate just watching it. It's the Raptor. do you think? You think I can take the Raptor?
Doubt it.
Doubt it.
Don't let them fool you.
Yeah, alright, I'll just come back. He's burning for me. You sure heavy assaults won't take him?
Yeah, they won't. Too fast.
Warp drive active.
I don't understand how a giant fucking missile can't take out, you know, a heavy interceptor. Or, I mean, a little tiny frigate, kind of small ship. He came through to the other side to try to get me. Alright, I'm signing off for the night. Oh, what was broadcasting? I think I'm done trying to PvP for the night.
Yeah, so am I.
I already lost a goddamn fucking tornado, dude. Son of a bitch.
Oh, I lost a cane.
No, you don't understand. That thing had Meta 4 guns on it. That was 50 million guns alone.
Docking permission requested.
I don't even know what I had.
I'm really tempted to
Docking
take on this
request
Raptor. He's
accepted.
right outside the station. You think my Dramiel could take him?
Probably.
You know what? Fuck it. Let's try it. Who the hell is Darth Harley? He's not on a grid. I can't figure out how to find him. There's 2 capsules
D-scan.
out here somewhere. Oh, I see your capsule, and I see his capsule.
Hello, hello, hello.
What's up there, dude?
Not much, just chilling.
Yeah, he left. He left system. I still want to find Darth Haley's. Yeah, Darth Haley's capsule. I need to learn this thing called scanning.